And I'm back at you with another video with the Pull-Up King. Alright, so this video, 2016 Mercedes-Benz CLS400 4MATIC. I wanted to show what I got going on. I got a thermostat. The thermostat housing is the belt hit it, popped off, and yeah, tore it up. Put a hole in it right there, you can see. Yeah, so start leaking on me, and I'm gonna show you what I had to do to get this thing out, man. All right, you see all of this is the intercooler. Got all of that undone. These bolts here, flat head or 7mm, and I took that off there. Took off all of these connectors, all of these. This hose goes to the thermostat like that. Took that off. Got a little clip on it, so remove. And you just gotta work the harness off. All of these connectors, air box, pull them out the way. This unit right here, I don't know why it's up under there, but they got it up under there. They got 8mm bolts going on down. Can't really see it. Let's see if I can get this side. All right. And they back here. Just want to bust those loose. Once you get them free, this can move. Then you got time or wiggle room, and then you can get up in here. So we got 3 bolts holding it in. All right, so the T30, those bolts holding that thermostat in. All 3 are T30, and that's what we're looking like when you get it out. All that in the way. This is for the thermostat housing. You don't have to do all of this to take the thermostat out. You have to get the housing. The thermostat is easy to get to pretty much. You take out these bolts up top. And they T30. Whole computer gotta come up. All of that. And they just pretty much held in like that. The computer. Move that out the way. All right, so we got the whole unit. It doesn't come separate. I'll go ahead and swap that out, put that on there. Get this thing back on the road. So yeah, just a quick rundown. That's how that goes. Hope it helped out. Until next time, Pull-Up King.